Lionel Messi back in the city of joy. 14 years later, he's back at that very spot at the Salt Lake Stadium. That is his very car, and we see how the crowd has already overtaken that very particular car that we're speaking of. Of course, there are security protocols that are consistently being updated, which is why he made the entry straight to the stadium, and we are now catching a glimpse of Lionel Messi at the very Salt Lake Stadium. That is the very moment that fans had been waiting for.
Absolutely.
We can see tears of joy rolling down the fans' faces at this given point. That's the kind of emotion. And let us tell you, the Salt Lake Stadium, the atmosphere can indeed be electrifying, and it is euphoric at this given point as people were waiting, and that wait is finally over after months. And the hero, the god himself, the king of football, is right there at the Salt Lake Stadium, taking a laps, waving across to all his fans, making their dreams come true. As some of the fans were explaining, it's just that one glimpse that they've been waiting for months now. The Rosario magician who bent the world to his will with 8 Ballon d'Ors, a World Cup crown and a goal that defies gravity, descends upon Kolkata and now descends upon the Salt Lake Stadium 14 years later, igniting the very GOAT India tour. It's a historic moment yet again for all football fans. It is a big moment for all the young football lovers that the city has seen. Messi stands for how dreams can come true for all those football lovers. And when we speak of India, we know the city of joy is one city that is extremely enthused about sports. And when we speak of sports, football in particular, and that is how the Salt Lake Stadium is colored currently with white and sky blue, a color that we have seen across Kolkata, but today it is for the Argentine superstar as we speak, the Messi mania gripping India, and specifically the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata, in the city of joy. This is what we are bringing to you, viewers, live visuals of the hero, the greatest of all time, on the GOAT tour itself, in the heart of football's fervent cradle, where the Maidan is currently roaring like a living beast, and we can see people just soaking in that very moment. And as some of the fans earlier were in fact also speaking, and yes, that is Messi meeting the current members of the football club in Kolkata, in Mohun Bagan Football Club in Kolkata, all wearing the Messi jersey today. It is a Messi special day, so it doesn't matter what color it is, the jersey reads Messi and the number 10. And yes, this is the legend returning after 14 years of mythic longing. That is the craze that we see in Bengal. That is the craze that we see in Kolkata as we speak, as people have in fact been consistently waiting. They have been waiting for this one glimpse, and several fans, and we can see the young people, all of who track this footballer, creating magic on the field, as one can say, every match. And today their dreams come true of just catching that one glimpse. And we could hear fans earlier narrate that it's not important to capture it on an electronic device, on a phone right now. We just want to see him. We just want that memory imprinted in our heads forever. And that is the emotion that speaks when we speak of, that is the emotion that has been expressed by fans, for all those who love football, for everything that Messi today, Lionel Messi today stands for. The hero in person, in blood and flesh, right there in the Salt Lake Stadium, signing jerseys, giving autographs to young players, inspiring them, motivating them. Some, even as they had said, they would be touching his feet because Messi is their god when we speak. He is the football god for them. And we'd seen the similar crowd, the similar kind of excitement and euphoria when back in the day, in 2008, it was Maradona who had been visiting. But we're speaking of a football legend who is still playing. And that is how history is being created in Kolkata today. He will be meeting the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, who is also at the Salt Lake Stadium. He just met superstar Shah Rukh Khan, who's also in Kolkata, who's flown down to Kolkata especially to meet Messi at this point, and these are the live visuals that we bring to you from Kolkata.
Now the next event would be Rodrigo, Javier De Paul and Luis Suarez with Leo Messi. They would play a tiki-taka with the school boys, and that would also be absolute a shot in the arm for the young kids.
So many emotions, I think, which you will not find in the English lexicon.
Part of the famous Barcelona side, winning 4 La Ligas together, winning the Champions League as well, part of the famous MSN. And now, a few of the youngsters will get to grace the field with these special superstars.
A moment of a lifetime. A moment that comes with so many emotions, I think, which you will not find in the English lexicon. You have to feel it. Feel it with your heart, with your soul, with your own physical presence.
और देखिए इनकी जो प्रभाव है ये विश्वमय है. आप दुनिया के कोई भी देश में जाइए, वहाँ पे जो अहम खिलाड़ी होते हैं, जो बहुत स्किलफुल होते हैं, उनको मेसी कहा जाते हैं. सोचिए जैसे जापान में बोलते हैं टाकेफुसा कुबो, इसको जापानीज मेसी. और चाइना में काफी खिलाड़ियों को बोलते हैं, लेकिन
So viewers, let us also tell you this. That is Luis Suarez, who's accompanying Lionel Messi and on his tour, the Go to India tour at this given point. The famous footballer from Uruguay, yes. And let us tell you, people in Kolkata at this given point, and if we speak of Bengalis, yes, they do love football, and this is a double treat for them in a way. But yes, when we speak of Lionel Messi, he definitely is referred to as the god of football, of contemporary football at this given point. And that is the man currently just soaking up the very energy, the euphoria, the excitement, the enthusiasm, the love that all the fans have to give him from the very stands. We see the stands being painted in white and blue at this given point as this occasion has lit up Kolkata at this given point. Kolkata is currently super ecstatic just to have welcomed this very hero, the man of the hour, the man of contemporary football, as we keep mentioning.